If your outlet keeps tripping when you use hair dryers or other high wattage devices, it's usually because the circuit can't handle the load. So, first off, check the circuit breaker box to see if the breaker tied to that outlet is flipping off when you plug in your hair dryer or a similar device. That breaker is basically a safety guard, stopping too much power from flowing through and causing a fire. If it trips often, the circuit might be overloaded because it's shared with other stuff like lights or appliances. One quick fix is to unplug other devices on that circuit before using your hair dryer. If that's a pain, think about getting a dedicated circuit installed just for your high wattage devices. This means no more sharing and less chance of tripping breakers. Also, check the outlet itself. Sometimes outlets wear out or get damaged and can't handle the power. If you're not comfy with electrical work, call a licensed electrician to test the wiring and make sure everything is safe and up to code. Using a hairdryer with lower wattage can help too if you don't want to mess with wiring right now. And remember, avoid using extension cords or power strips for these devices because they can overheat and cause tripping or worse. One of the biggest mistakes people make with outlets tripping when using hair dryers or high wattage devices is ignoring the circuit capacity. If the circuit isn't rated for the device's amperage, it will trip every time, so upgrading or installing a dedicated circuit fixes this for good. Another common problem is overloading a single circuit with too many devices at once to try to spread things out or unplug anything not in use. Finally, using damaged or old outlets can cause short circuits or poor connections, leading to random tripping. Replacing faulty outlets makes a big difference in safety and performance. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the headache of endless searching. It also helps contractors connect with real clients who need their skills, making home projects way easier for everyone involved.